Question 1. Which of the following writs can be issued to secure the release of a person who is found to be unlawfully detained? Option A, habeas corpus. Option B, mandamus. Correct answer is A. Habeas corpus is a writ to produce a person before a court to determine the legality of their detention. It protects individual liberty against unlawful arrest. Question 2. Under which article of the Indian Constitution can the President of India proclaim financial emergency? Option A, Article 352. Option B, Article 356. Correct answer is C. Article 360 empowers the President to declare a financial emergency if the financial stability or credit of India is threatened. Articles 352 and 356 deal with national emergency and President's rule respectively. Question 3. The power to decide an election petition is vested in the Option A, Parliament. Option B, Supreme Court. Correct answer is C. Election petitions challenging the validity of an election are typically decided by the high courts. This ensures judicial oversight of the electoral process. Question 4. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, to the states and union territories? Option A, 4th schedule. Option B, 5th schedule. Correct answer is A. The 4th schedule specifically outlines the allocation of seats for each state and union territory in the Rajya Sabha. The other schedules address different matters of constitutional significance. Question 5. Who among the following can participate in the impeachment of the President of India, though they do not participate in his election? Option A, elected members of state legislative assemblies. Option B, nominated members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is B. Nominated members of both houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, do not participate in the presidential election, but can participate in the impeachment. All elected members of both houses take part in election and impeachment. Question 6. Consider the following statements. 1. The President can return a non-money bill passed by the Parliament for reconsideration. 2. If the bill is passed again by the Parliament with or without amendments, the President must give his assent to it. Which of the statements given above is / are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Correct answer is C. Both statements are correct regarding the President's power concerning non-money bills. The President has limited veto power and must assent if the bill is repassed. Question 7. Which of the following committees recommended the establishment of Panchayati Raj institutions in India? Option A, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Option B, Ashok Mehta Committee. Correct answer is A. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, established in 1957, is credited with recommending the three-tier Panchayati Raj system. This led to the constitutionalization of local self-governance. Question 8. The concept of procedure established by law in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? Option A, USA. Option B, UK. Correct answer is C. The phrase originates from the Japanese Constitution. It signifies that a law duly enacted by the legislature should be followed. Question 9. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty as enshrined in the Indian Constitution? Option A, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions. Option B, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Correct answer is C. Voting in elections, while important, is a legal right in India, not a fundamental duty. The other options accurately reflect fundamental duties outlined in Article 51A. Question 10. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the center and the states falls under its Option A, advisory jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Correct answer is C. The Supreme Court has original jurisdiction in cases involving disputes between the Union and one or more states. No other court can preside over such cases. Question 11. What is the term of office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Option A, 5 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Option B, 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Correct answer is B. The CAG of India holds office for a term of 6 years or until they attain the age of 65, whichever comes first. This fixed tenure ensures independence and accountability. Question 12. The Ninth Schedule was added to the Constitution by which amendment? Option A, First Amendment. Option B, Seventh Amendment. Correct answer is A. The First Amendment added the Ninth Schedule to protect laws related to land reforms and other socio-economic legislation from judicial review. It was passed in 1951. Question 13. Which article of the Indian Constitution defines state for the purpose of fundamental rights? Option A, Article 10. Option B, Article 12. Correct answer is B. Article 12 defines the term state to include the Government and Parliament of India, the government and legislature of each of the states, and all local or other authorities within the territory of India. Question 14. The provision for independent judiciary in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from which country? Option A, United Kingdom. Option B, United States of America. The correct answer is B. The feature of an independent judiciary, ensuring its autonomy from executive and legislative interference, is borrowed from USA. It is integral to the separation of powers. Question 15. What is the minimum age prescribed to be a governor of a state in India? Option A, 25 years. Option B, 30 years. Correct answer is C. Article 157 states that no person shall be eligible for appointment as governor unless they have attained the age of 35 years. The minimum age is same for president.